So are you the one who's still adding Justdial lead details to your Airtable base manually? Then it's time for a change. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how to automatically add Justdial leads to Airtable. So like you, I also use Justdial to get more leads for my own business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from Justdial, I want to add the lead details into my Airtable database, that too without any manual intervention. So to do this, we're going to create a connection between Justdial and Airtable, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. Let's create a connection between Justdial and Airtable. So to do this, I'm going to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Connect by typing pabbly.com/connect in my browser. Now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Connect using which we are going to create this connection. But before we move on further, I'll show you something very helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. So let's go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect and create a connection between Justdial and Airtable. So over here we have two options on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. So if you're a new user, click on the sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on this button which says sign in. Now it is opening all Pabbly apps and we're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So let's click on this access now right over here to access our Pabbly Connect's account, and now it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect's account. Now we have to click on this create workflow. It is asking me to select the workflow builder, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and ideal for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach and ideal for those who want a tried and tested setup. So you can use any one from this. I'm going to use this new workflow builder. I'm going to enter the workflow name which is Justdial to Airtable. Now over here I'm going to save my workflow in a folder. So I'm going to select the folder as automations. So if you wish to create a new folder, go on this create new folder button and create your own. Now let's click on this button which says create, and once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Justdial. So let's search for Justdial over here, and as you can see the same, so we have to select it. For the event, we have to select it as new leads and click on this connect. This is the webhook URL. So you have to copy this webhook URL and give it to your account manager from Justdial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account, because Justdial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL on the user interface of their application. Hence, you need to send this webhook URL to the Justdial point of contact or the backend team of Justdial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And once they add this, automatically you're going to receive this webhook response which will be the details of the lead. So I have already added this webhook URL in my Justdial account. So let's capture this webhook response which is the details of my lead. And now you're going to see that 2 seconds ago we have successfully received the response which is the details of my lead. And with this we have successfully completed our trigger step, and now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Justdial, automatically Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. Now let's add the details in our Airtable base. For that I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application I'm going to search for Airtable. So let's search for Airtable. I'm going to type Airtable and select it. For the event I'm going to select it as create record and click on this connect. So now if you have already created a connection between Airtable and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me click on add a new connection and then connect with Airtable. And now Pabbly is asking me for some permissions. So what we have to do is we have to give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. But first I'll just let you know that I have already logged in my Airtable account. That's the reason that it is directly asking me for these permissions. But if you haven't logged in your Airtable account, first Pabbly is going to ask you to add your Airtable account, which is log in your Airtable account, and then only it is going to ask you for all of these permissions. So it depends upon you if you want to give the permission for all the resources, and if you click on this add all resources, the permission for all the current and the future bases will be given. And further, if you want to give the permission only for a particular base, click on this add a base and search for the same base and select the base for which you want to grant the access, and click on this grant access. No need to worry, your data is 100% safe with us, and you can give Pabbly all the permissions. You have to select the base name, the table name in which you want to add the details, and one by one we are going to add all of these details. But we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. And after mapping these details, it is saying enable typecasting. So if typecasting is enabled, it allows you to forcefully create an option with the passed value in multiple choice type fields. So it depends upon you if you want to enable or disable it. I'm going to keep it as false and click on this save and send test request. And you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the lead details in our Airtable base. So let's open our Airtable, and you're going to see the name, the email address, and the phone number has been added right over here in my Airtable base. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Justdial, automatically the details will be added in my Airtable. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.